Okay guys, this is two tools we're using here for this vent glass and this CN. And this is not a Volkswagen where it's so hard, but it is tough to get in here, and to get a razor blade in here to prep it is pretty non-existent. This is our safe prep tool. You can take this, you can cover that whole area right there in just a matter of tiny swipes. Turn it this way, come up through here, turn it upside down. Just by default, the way it's shaped, that whole window is scraped. Now, I'll take a rag and go around this. I'm gonna give credit to this technique to Bruce. He does this because these rags are completely lint free. We'll do it like that, and then we'll flush it. But I'm gonna do one more step just to show you something else. I'm gonna miss that on there. This is the De-Hydra Jr. It's on a billet aluminum stick. We're gonna take this, and I'm gonna squeegee this thing, wipe it off on my towel, go down through here and wipe it again. This allows you to get down into these areas that you can't normally get into with a regular squeegee. Push this stuff off. Now after doing that, we're gonna take the rag, wipe the edges again. Then so we don't load that little vent up with water, we'll lay this over it. And then we're going to flush it like that. We'll slide it down. Now that I've got that sprayed, I'm moving that rag out of the way. And we'll slide it down past the fret on the top so I can see what I got going on. Taking my finger and I'm making sure I have no light gap. Now I'm gonna slightly tack this thing down just a little, right in the center, just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and check again for light gaps. I got a tiny gap right there, so I'm gonna move it up. Now, to keep this thing from moving while we're doing it, we're gonna put just a little heat in one spot, which is gonna be up in that corner. So we're just gonna heat this front corner just a little bit. And after we heat this, you don't wanna go back over it with your squeegee because you'll leave ghosting trails of glue. So what that heat does, allows you to squeegee this down without it moving anymore. We'll put just a tad of moisture on it, not much. And we're going to take, again, the De-Hydra Jr. We're going to squeegee this baby out. Just like this. And yes, you can take any other squeegee and get up in there. Squeegeeing and extracting is two different things. So we're extracting the water that's in it. It's going to leave a tad bit of soap on the fret, but not much. It'll lay on down just like that. And by using that tool over just a standard turbo squeegee or triangle squeegee, it assures you that you've got it bonded to the glass all the way. So this is made for our tool site to show you guys. We show a video about how every tool we have works, and this is how you use this just in one instance. And only tool like it on the market. The De-Hydra Jr. of Gastric Pro Tools. An extraction blade that you can actually prep with on a window like this and extract, not just a squeegee. GastricProTools.com. Check us out. Thank you guys.